Why not speak Chinese? Why not?
Just Thai, beauty you Chinese. 你好
Repeat after me. 10.
At Chester Zoo, we bring the exciting world of wildlife to you. Get right up close to over 7,000 animals from around the world, all in a beautiful, natural and award-winning setting extending over 110 acres. Where else could you take a short stroll from the majestic Asiatic lions to the stealthy Sumatran tigers, or see a group of monkeys playing, warthogs rooting, or dazzling tropical butterflies fluttering all around you? As the zoo is a world-class conservation charity, you will encounter some of the most exotic and endangered animals in the world, from the eastern black rhinos to our colony of penguins. Discover our fantastic tropical house with its wonderful collection of reptiles, amphibians and free-flying birds. With so many creatures and so much going on, no two visits are ever the same. Whether it's some of the largest, smallest, strangest or tallest, you'll find them all here in this fun, family-friendly environment. Discover the special delights of the ever-inquisitive mongoose, elusive okapi, African painted dogs and our fabulous spectacled bears. It's a wonderful wild day out at Chester Zoo. And when it's time for a break, there's a mouth-watering choice at our new restaurants, cafes and refreshment kiosks. Great for value and quality. So make a date to get closer to wildlife than you've ever been before. For entertainment, excitement and an enthralling day out, there is nowhere quite as amazing as Chester Zoo.
This Chinese character means 10 in English. This is its syllable, 10. Repeat after me, 10.